If you're experiencing issues with payment processing on TikTok Shop, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device has a stable internet connection. A weak or intermittent connection can cause payment processing errors. Step 2. Update the TikTok app. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SRUG to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Verify payment information. Double-check your payment information, including card details and billing address. Ensure that all information is accurate and matches what your bank has on file. Step 4. Clear app cache. Clear the cache of the TikTok app to remove any temporary files that may be causing issues. Go to your device settings, find TikTok, and select the option to clear cache. Step 5. Contact TikTok support. If the problem persists, reach out to TikTok support for assistance. Provide them with details about the issue and any error messages you may have encountered. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve payment processing issues on TikTok Shop. If problems continue, consider checking for updates or further assistance from TikTok.